Here at Sentinel Products, we are proud to be a leader in the development and manufacturing of innovative, environmentally friendly cleaning and coating solutions across a variety of industries. Our products afford you easy, fast, and safe application and cleanup. Today, we want to share the outstanding features of our 24/7 Zero Mold and Mildew Resistant Coating. 24/7 Zero contains no volatile organic compounds, is free of hazardous air pollutants, and offers virtually no odor. Easily mixed and tintable, 24/7 Zero can be used on most interior surfaces. Zero provides great adhesion, drying to a durable, scrubbable surface. With antimicrobial product protection, 24/7 is designed to inhibit the growth of stain and odor-causing mold and mildew when used as a top coat. With a 10-year limited warranty, you could trust it is literally protecting 24/7. Sentinel's latex-based coatings are designed for easy cleanup. To clean your paint sprayer, just add a little soap to warm water and spray through until clean. For more information on Sentinel products, visit www.senpro.com or call 800-373-0633.